Yes guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Cassidy.
And I'm Pete.
And today we're going to be unboxing our YouTube Silver Play button. This is an award YouTube gives out to channels when they reach 100,000 subscribers.
Thank you guys for helping us get this award. We couldn't have done it without you.
Our play button's finally here and I can't wait to unbox it. So let's do just that. Here it is, guys. Got black cloth. And then we've got a card saying congratulations from Rick. And then here, just a letter from YouTube saying congratulations. But here it is, our YouTube play button. And then just lastly under here, just another letter. That's all from the box. But this is the main thing right here. Okay. Yeah. So here they have the YouTube logo and then cassidyandpaixstudios passing 100,000 subscribers. So that was the unboxing of our silver play button. I hope you enjoyed it. The play button itself is actually lighter than I thought it would be. One thing I really like about the play button is it has a nice mirror for the YouTube button. So that's the end of this video. Thank you once again to all of you guys for helping and supporting the channel. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible.
I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.